How would you describe the Hine automation advantage?
The Hine automation advantage is that we're flexible and can handle customizations quickly. Many of our competitors either cannot do this or are not willing to take on one-off projects. Hine is willing and ready to take on orders of all sizes to customize and provide with quick turnaround times.
What are some key differentiators that make Hine's products and processes stand apart?
At Hine Automation, we use a reliability program for our products that tests mean time before failure and the number of cycles before failure. This is a strategic advantage as a lot of companies 5 times the size of Hine do not have these reliability structures in place.
What would Hine's customers say about why you are successful? What makes Hine great to work with?
Our customers have shared that they enjoy working with Hine because of our commitment to delivering quality products and our willingness to take on a variety of projects of all sizes. We're more concerned with taking on the right projects as opposed to the largest ones. When evaluating a potential project, we strive to stay true to our core competencies. This strategy allows us to deliver the best quality products more efficiently and results in happy customers.
What are some of Hine's standard systems or tools and robotic components?
Hine's core equipment consists of vacuum robotics, vacuum aligners, atmospheric robots, and load ports that come in various shapes and sizes. Vacuum and atmospheric load ports are our most diverse product family and range from single wafer load locks to cassette load ports or CLPs. There are a couple dozen products within this category that Hine develops and manufactures. With respect to robotic components, we have both vacuum and atmospheric robots. We can change the length of the arms, adjust the internal robotic components to support a heavier load. This can range from as light as a few ounces up to 11 pounds and more depending on the application.